Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 26, 2025 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2pm draw result ngayong February 26, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2pm. 3D Lotto 2pm draw result ngayong Wednesday, February 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2pm. See you again later for 5pm draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 26, 2025 Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, February 26, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for afternoon of February 26, 2025 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.